15 hours creating this. Used the best material, poured my heart into it, but it still is sitting on my shelf for the past 6 months. And there's this. It takes me 40 minutes to create it, and I can't keep a stock of it. This one is my bestseller.
In the handmade world, there is a dangerous gap between what we love making and what the market actually wants to buy. If you bridge that gap, you have a business. If you don't, you have an expensive hobby. Today, I'm showing you exactly how to pick products that sell, using real examples from my journey. Let's go.
Start a business because we love to create. But here's the trap. We assume everyone else will like the things, or everyone else will value the things that we do.
I call this creator ego. We think if I make it beautiful enough, they will come. But customers aren't buying your effort. They are buying a solution to a problem or a specific aesthetic for their home. If your product is so complex that the price has to be 1,000 rupees, but your audience can only spend 500 rupees, you have already lost. You are making art, not a product line. You don't need fancy tools like Etsy or Pinterest to do research. Your best data is already in your pocket. I start with my Instagram insights. Stop looking at likes. Likes are just a pat on the back. Look at saves. If someone saves your hand-painted nameplate, they are dreaming about owning it. That is your market demand signal. Go to Google Trends. Type in whatever your business is all about. I type in handmade decor or kids' room gifts and see if the line is going up or down. This tells you if you are fighting a losing battle or riding a wave. Go to local Facebook, mom groups or home decor groups. Search for keywords like where can I find or recommendations for see what people are struggling to find. That gap is your new product idea. But the best research? It's right here in my WhatsApp DMs. When a customer asks, do you have this in a different color? Or can you make a set of 3? This is a market order in disguise. Don't ignore your messages. Every ask is a clue for your next bestseller. Let us talk real numbers. In my business, I used to focus on this. I loved the process, but the time versus money ratio was a disaster. I looked at what people were actually messaging me about. And they weren't a huge pieces. It was this. I simplified the design, kept the hand-painted soul, and sales tripled in a month. Sometimes the product you love the most is the one holding your bank account back. You have to be willing to stop making what isn't working.
Does that mean you can never make what you love? No, I'm not saying that. Instead, use the 80-20 rule. 80% of your shop is for your customers. This is the part of your shop that pays your rent, that pays your bill. 20% of your shop is the experimental stuff. In this 20%, you are supposed or you can do what you love doing.
Your homework now. Look at your shop today, identify one item you love that isn't selling, and ask yourself, how can I change this to fit what my customers are actually searching for? If you found this helpful, you need to watch my last video on the 4 big mistakes I made starting out. See you in the next one. If you liked the video, please subscribe and share. Thank you.